So students, this is the apparatus for finding Young's modulus using flexural vibrations of a steel bar. So you can see that there are three major components in this experiment. Uh, this is basically the audio frequency oscillator. The output of the audio frequency oscillator is given to a power amplifier, and the output of a power amplifier is connected to this coil. You can see here. This coil is exciting the vibrations of this steel bar. Okay, so you can see that the steel bar is vibrating. Okay, and the vibrations are depending on the frequency and amplitude of this audio frequency oscillator. So you can see this is vibrating, and as I am increasing the frequency or changing the frequency, the oscillations of this steel bar is actually changing. Okay. So this is how you have to move ahead, and so you can see that the length of the steel bar is currently kept on 10 centimeter, and this plastic scale has been kept for the reference of this slider. Okay, so this slider is also placed at 10 centimeter. Okay, so we will find the frequency at which this oscillation is maximum. Okay, so you have to vary the frequency and find which is the frequency at which the oscillation is maximum, and that frequency you have to note down. So you have to note down the length and the fundamental frequency, okay, of the resonance. So after this, what you have to do, you have to unscrew this clamps, okay, and then you have to increase the length of the steel bar. So currently it is at 10 centimeter, so you can increase the scale and keep it on 12 centimeter. Okay, and you have to also keep the slider totally parallel to this. So you have to find which is the fundamental frequency for 12 centimeter, then 14, then 16, 18, and you have to move to 22 centimeter. So you have to change the length of this steel bar, and you have to change the frequency in such a way that you get the frequency at which the oscillation of this steel bar is maximum, and that is your fundamental frequency of vibration. So you have to note down each and every frequency. So once again I am showing you that this is your coil, this is your steel bar, okay, this is the slider, okay, and this is your power amplifier, okay, and this is your audio frequency oscillator, and this is the video demonstration on this.